Good morning, students of class 1. I'm once again back with your science class, and today we are going to learn a very interesting chapter. That is chapter 13, and the topic is Weather and Seasons, part 1. Let's start today's lesson. First of all, look outside your window and tell me what you have seen there. Let me guess. Maybe you have seen the sun hiding behind the clouds, right? No. In that case, maybe it is raining. No. Then maybe you have seen the sky is covered with dark clouds. No? Then it must be the bright sun shining in the sky, right? But girls, does it remain the same every day? Obviously not. Now girls, you must have noticed that all days are not the same. Some days are hot, while some days are cold. Some days are rainy, while some days are windy. Now, do you know why does it happen? Well, it happens due to weather. The weather does not remain the same. Now, the question is, what is weather? Do you know the answer, girls? Alright, let me explain this to you. The weather is the condition of air at a particular time or place. So the weather is the condition of air at a particular time or place. It changes from day to day and time to time. It may be sunny, rainy, cloudy, cold, or windy. You must have heard about weather forecast. The weather forecast tells us about the weather in advance. We also get to know about the maximum and minimum temperature of the day from this kind of weather forecast. Now girls, do you know even during the day the temperature changes? For example, it may be cold in the morning, hot at noon, warm in the afternoon, and cold in the night again. Now girls, do you know what causes our weather to change? Well, there are many reasons for change in weather. But we can say that the sun is the basic cause of our changing weather. Now girls, let us learn about how weather affects the way we live. We all know that the kind of food we eat and the kind of clothes we wear, that totally depends upon the weather. Now, let us learn about this in detail. On sunny days, the sun shines brightly and the weather is very hot. In those days, we keep a handkerchief or tissue paper to wipe our sweat. We like to stay indoor even in the afternoon. These days, we like to wear loose-fitted cotton clothes. Cotton is the best during this time because it absorbs sweat and we feel comfortable in soft, loose cotton clothes. In these days, we feel like to drink lots of liquids and try to eat foods that are not very heavy or spicy. Because on some days, dark clouds hide the sun and they are called cloudy days. On cloudy days, the sun rays do not pass through the clouds. So the weather becomes cooler. The cloudy days are cooler than the sunny days. Let us talk about cold days. Some days are very cold, and these days we like to stay indoor, and we also like to wear woolen clothes that keeps our body warm. It also snows on cold days in hilly areas. Let us talk about windy days. On some days, strong winds blow and we see branches of trees and plants moving. In these days, we need to hold our things tightly to stop them from flying away. These days are perfect for flying kites, and this kind of days are called windy days. The weather may be cool or warm. Sometimes the trees fall due to strong winds. That is why we should stay indoor on a very windy day. Now we are going to learn about rainy days. On some days it rains a lot. Everything around us gets wet. Such days are called rainy days. We use umbrellas and raincoats when it rains. Sometimes when the sun shines through the rain, we see a beautiful colorful rainbow in the sky. Now girls, let us underline some spellings from this chapter. So girls, can you please take out your science textbook and open the page number 89. So girls, please take out your science book and open the page number 89 and do underline the spellings. Weather, weather. Condition, condition. particular, particular, place, place, changes, changes, sunny, sunny, rainy, rainy, cloudy, cloudy, windy, windy. Now girls, please turn the page and open the page number 90. Shines, shines, brightly, brightly, snows, snows, indoor, indoor, hilly areas, hilly areas, strong, strong, branches, branches, things, things, tightly, tightly, weather forecast, weather forecast, advance, advance, and rainbow, rainbow. All right. Let us revise the important points from today's lesson. All right. The weather changes nearly every day. Some days are hot, some are cold, some days are windy, and on some days it rains. The sun shines brightly on a sunny day. The sun remains hidden on a cloudy day. We like to stay indoor on cold days. On windy days, strong winds blow. On rainy days, sometimes when the sun shines through the rain, we see a rainbow in the sky. Alright girls, I hope you have understood the lesson today, right? Okay. Girls, now I'm going to discuss some questions and answers from today's lesson. Alright? Before start, please take out your science class copy because we are going to write these questions and answers in our science class copies. Okay? And start writing with the name of the chapter, that is weather and seasons. Okay? And then write question first along with its answer. Okay? So let's start. Question number 1. What is weather? Question number 1. What is weather? Weather is the condition of air at a particular time, or place. It changes from day to day. It may be sunny, rainy, cloudy, cold, or windy. I repeat, weather is the condition of air at a particular time or place. It changes from day to day. It may be sunny, rainy, cloudy, cold, or windy. Question number 2. Write 2 sentences about each of the following types of days. Write 2 sentences about each of the following types of days. Sunny days. Number 1. On sunny days, the sun shines brightly. On sunny days, the sun shines brightly. Number 2. The weather is very hot. Number 2. The weather is very hot. Cloudy days. Number 1. Dark clouds hide the sun on some days. They are called cloudy days. Dark clouds hide the sun on some days. They are called cloudy days. Number 2. The cloudy days are cooler than the sunny days. The cloudy days are cooler than the sunny days. Cold days. Number 1. Some days are very cold. We like to stay indoor. Some days are very cold. We like to stay indoor. Number 2. It also snows on cold days in hilly areas. It also snows on cold days in hilly areas. Next, windy days. Number 1. Strong winds blows on some days. These are called windy days. Strong winds blows on some days. These are called windy days. Number 2. We see branches of trees and plants moving. We see branches of trees and plants moving. Next, rainy days. Number 1. On some days, it rains a lot. On some days, it rains a lot. Number 2. Everything around us gets wet. Such days are called rainy days. Everything around us gets wet. Such days are called rainy days. Alright? This is the time for think and answer. And we are going to write these answers in our rough copy. Alright? So let's start. Number 1. Fill in the blanks. A. On a sunny day, the sun shines dash. B. Sometimes when the sun shines through the rain, we see a dash in the sky. C. Weather is the condition of dash at a particular dash or place. Okay? Now question number 2. Write T for true and F for false statements. A. On a cloudy day, the sun is very bright. B. Weather remains the same every day. C. It snows on cold days in hilly areas. Number 3. Circle the correct answer. A. We like to stay indoor on a cloudy or cold day. Girls, here you have to choose the correct answer and then circle the correct answer. Okay? Number B. Weather forecast tells us about the weather or soil in advance. C. We wear cotton or woolen clothes during the hot sunny days. Now the last question for the day. Match the column A with column B. So girls, you can see that you have to find out the correct answer from column A and then you need to put the correct number in the column B in given brackets. Got it? So column A. Number 1. Sunny day. Number 2. Windy day. Number 3. Cold day. Number 4. Rainy day. Number 5. Cloudy day. Column B. It rains a lot. Dark clouds hide the sun. The weather is very hot. The strong winds blow. The weather is very cold. Alright girls, hope you have understood today's lesson. Girls, please go through the chapter once again at home and we will learn the rest of the part of this chapter in our next class. Okay, so till then, take care. God bless you.